Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to position the DJI Mic Mini. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got the DJI Mic Mini. And so essentially what I think about when I'm positioning the mic is usually I like to have it around 6 to 10 inches away from my mouth. So there's two ways that people usually use this. Number one, they either hold it like this, so it's away from their mouth about 6 to 10 inches. The second way is that you could actually take advantage of the magnetic clip that you have here and position it on your upper chest level about 6 to 8 inches away from your mouth. So with that, you still want it to be pointed directly to your mouth, but just make sure that it's a good distance. Nothing is obstructing it. Right now, this is probably not the best shirt to wear just because we have some obstruction going on. But if this was just a regular shirt, again, my upper chest level would be a perfect place to actually position the mic. But just remember 6 to 10 inches, you can either hold it, clip it onto your shirt, use the magnetic piece, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is how to position the DJI Mic Mini. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.